Hi everyone, this is Priyanka working as Assistant Professor in SNS College of Engineering. Today we are just going to see a lecture series in the subject Cryptography, Cybersecurity in the topic Ethical Hacking. Let us see in detail. First of all, what is ethical hacking? Ethical hacking, it is an authorized practice by bypassing system security to identify potential data, breaches and threats in a network. Here, the purpose of the ethical hacking is ethical hackers help organizations find and fix security vulnerabilities before malicious hackers exploit them. Next, let us see what are all the types of hackers. Here are three types of hackers. First is your black hat, grey hat, and white hat. First, let's see black hat. Black hat, it is an hacker into which the system illegally for personal or financial gain. Next is grey hat. Grey hat is mainly for the break into system without permission but not for malicious purpose. Next is white hat. White hat is mainly used for work with permission to test and secure the system. Next, let us see the phases of ethical hacking. There are 5 phases of ethical hacking. First is a footprinting, next is scanning, next is gain access, maintaining access, finally clearing tracks. Let us see everything in detail. First step is your footprinting. Footprinting, it mainly collecting the data about the target system using tools or passive observation. Next is scanning. Scanning means detecting open ports, services and vulnerabilities. Next is gaining access. Gaining access here is exploiting weakness to gain entry. Next is maintenance. Maintaining access. Maintaining access means here staying within the system to further analyze it. Next is your clearing tracks. Clearing track means here the hiding any evidences to testing activities. These are all the 5 phases. Now let us see few tools that is used by the ethical hackers. Here are many tools. Let me mention few among them. First is your Nmap. Here, Nmap is mainly used for network scaling and discovering open ports. Next is Metasploit. Here, Metasploit, it is a powerful exploitation framework for developing and executing exploits. Next is Wireshark. Here, it is mainly a packet analyzer that captures and analyzes network traffic. Next is Burpsuit. Burpsuit means it is commonly used for the testing the security of web applications. Next, let us see few legal and ethical considerations of this ethical hacking. Some of the legal and ethical considerations are authorization, IT laws and policies. Next is code of conduct and then documentation. Here, in the case of authorization, here the ethical hacking must always be performing with written contents. Next is your IT laws and policies. It is mainly used it must comply with laws like that is IT acts and data protection regulations. All these comes under this IT laws. Next coming to code of conduct. In the case of the code of conduct, hackers they have to maintain a professionalism and confidentiality. Next coming to the documentation. Here in the case of documentation, it must be essential for transparency and analysis and improvement. Next, let us see few applications of ethical hacking. Here are some of the applications of ethical hacking, that is corporate security, government security, financial security, educational institutions. Let us see in detail. Corporate security. In the case of corporate security, here testing the resiliences of enterprise IT infrastructures. Next is government systems. In the case of government systems, it is used for protecting national security data and digital assets. Next is financial sector. In this case, it is used for securing banking apps and payments gates and customer data. Next comes the educational institution. It mainly involves protecting students and institution data. All these comes under the applications. Next, finally, let's see few benefits of ethical hacking. In the case of ethical hacking, it is used for prevention of breaches, it is used for enhancing the security, and then it used for customer trust, and finally it used for regulatory compliances. Thank you so much. Let's see in the next video.